welcome back to
IC Arts and Crafts.
For this video, we'll be making a stained glass Among Us.
It's butterflies.
So you will need a black construction paper outline of what you want.
String, but we don't have any, so we're using yarn.
So, and then we need some scissors, some tissue paper, light color crayons. We're using yellow and white, and then that's it. But wait, actually forgot glue sticks. Never forget your glue sticks, guys. That's a lesson. So now we're going to show you how to make the outline. So we got to fold it back up and then fold it again in half. So if you're making a butterfly like Isla, all you need to do is unfold it once and she's just going to have half of it. But if you're making an Among Us like me, you fold it all the way out again. So now let's draw it.
First, I'm going to draw the body of the butterfly.
And I'm going to draw the top oval half of the Among Us. And then draw the bottom half. Yes? Okay, we're going.
And draw the top.
And then finishing the other leg. And then now, we're going to work on the visor. So, this part's up here, and it just a bit sticks out.
And then when you're done your first outline, we're going to draw another shape inside to show where you are cutting.
And then last, let's do the back half. So we're going to start up here, and then go out, and then go down. And then come back in, down. And now I'm going to do the same as Isla and draw the inside, so of the outline where I'm going to cut.
I'm going to cut the inside first.
Ta-da! This is how they turned out after we cut them.
Mine is flying.
Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to see how much tissue paper you need to cut out. So mine is basically to this line and then down here. And then you got to cut it out, and then we'll show you what to do next. So now let's glue it. Oh yeah, guys, you have to glue it on the bad side, the one you cut, you trace, because there might still be some outlines. Okay, and this is what it'll look like when you're done cutting the scrap tissue paper. Now the next step is to flip it upside down to the part where it's all tissue paper, and then you're going to glue on this pre-cut tissue paper square. But you guys, all you have to do is cut little tissue paper squares of different colors, and it's going to be the colorful background of it, so when the sun shines through, you can see the beautiful color. So we're gonna fast forward us doing this. So bye-bye! So this is what it'll look like when it's done. And this is on the back. And you might not be able to see it that well right now, but when the sun shines, you'll be able to see it better. And then you have to hole punch it and then put string and then tie it. And if you don't have a hole punch, that's okay, because you can just tape it. So you don't have to use red like I did. You can use a lighter color like Isla's, like pink or white, and you can see it better. And that's the end of today's video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And hit the bell too, so you get notified when we make another video. And also don't forget to share it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Well, you don't have to use red. You can use, why are you snoring? And then, okay, restart it. Redo that.
Okay, go.
Oh, Cohen forgot to.
Stop it! We're not gonna say it. Redo it.
Okay, Cohen forgot.
Okay, I forgot to mention.
No, I get it. Okay. So Cohen forgot to.
I forgot to mention, but you have to put a hole and then.
You have to use a hole punch. A hole punch.
You hear that, people? A hole punch or tape. And then put the string and tie it up. And then you can hang it on your window. And that's the end of today's video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time we make another video. And also, don't forget to share it. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.